Good morning, everybody. Today is day 22 of morning pages. I don't know if something's in the air or what's going on, but just woke up very congested. I'm kind of congested every morning in a way. I don't know what that is, but I'm here. It's Tuesday. It's leg day. I have my leg day shirt, leg day hair. This pen has still not run out of ink somehow. So maybe today's the day. I'm just going to start and then have a little bit of a chat with you at the end. So today is July 11th. More than halfway through the year. Time flies. Has anyone told you that this year? I hear it all the time. Alright, here we go. Alright. Page 1. Page 2. Page 3. And this pen is still going. It's the little pen that could. It could be like the little engine that could. That's the childhood story, right? But this is the writer version of a pen that just keeps on going and going and going. You think you're going to be finished, but it never ends. It could be like a kid's story for writers. Same concept, except about a pen. Maybe tomorrow it'll be gone, but it doesn't seem like it wants to leave. Alright. Oh yeah. So I felt pretty good to write those pages. Again, most of everything that I write about's just been examining myself and finding things and examining myself and looking at myself and finding things that I need to, not that I need to, that I want to work on with myself. It's a lot of coming to some truths, some realities, some ways that I treat my own self, the way that I show up for other people. A lot of that stuff. That's kind of what these pages are. And I've said it numerous times. It seems like working through that stuff and getting to a place of deeper connection with yourself and others around you, as well as with maybe spirituality or whatever you want to call it, really helps tap you into that creative energy field. And I think that's what these pages are doing. I honestly am going to continue doing them, hopefully indefinitely, like I've said numerous times. I just feel I like getting up. I like doing stuff. Like I like the physical act of doing things. Sometimes when you're typing on a computer, it's just stored away in a file. Here you could kind of flip through and see all of this writing. It's just, just flipping through the pages already. Starting on June 19th, just flipping through all these pages that are filled with stuff. It's kind of cool. So I like that thing. And again, if I'm always looking for ways to step up my game as a writer, and reading. I've been reading a lot more, so that's been really good. I'm really discovering what I'm into as far as a writer goes. I'm and just doing the work. I like working. I'm not somebody who's opposed to it. And this is a little bit of a challenge. It's like, can you get up? Can you do the pages without letting your brain get in the way, without letting your brain tell you how you don't want to do them or how you don't have anything to say, and then have you judge writing? It's like, I don't even judge my writing anymore. It's literally, I just write and then do it. I just, so there's a lot happening that's been really positive. So yeah, it was a good day. I got down to some stuff that I was working through, and it's nice to put on the page and then get to, sometimes you get to unexpected places, like something comes up and something yesterday, then you get to something comes up from like the day before, whatever, then you get to like explore that in a really cool way with these pages. So cool. Yeah, I love it. I hope you're all, if you're doing the pages, send me a comment. No one really comments. I feel like people are just like, just when is this going to be over? It's almost there. Today's day 22, so there's only 8 days left. So there's 8 more of these videos, and then we'll be done with it. And I've been having more ideas of what I want to do with like the site, or just everything that I'm trying to do. I'd like to rebuild a website. I had a website before, I took it down, but I'd like to get a website back up. I'd like to post more content. I got more writer stuff I want to post. I want to like kind of get back into this. So I'm hopefully get back into it, but it just won't be this anymore. Because I'm running out of things to even say about the morning pages. I feel like I'm repeating myself a lot. So that's all. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Have a great day.